Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to fix verification code not received. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about some common reasons why you might not be getting those verification codes. Typing mistake. Double-check the phone number you entered very carefully. A simple typo can mean the code goes to the wrong phone. It might seem obvious, but it's a surprisingly common mistake. Network issues. A weak signal or temporary network outage could be delaying the message. Try moving to a location with a stronger signal and see if that helps. Phone settings. Make sure your phone isn't blocking messages from unknown numbers. Some verification codes come from numbers you might not recognize, so check your phone's messaging settings to see if you've accidentally blocked them. Full inbox. On rare occasions, a full inbox might prevent new messages from coming through. Try deleting some old messages or conversations to free up space and see if that resolves the issue. And there you have it. With this method, you fix the verification code not received. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.